Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel where I show you tips and tricks on how to make money online legally. And on that note, if you enjoy working from home and earning money, then you are in the right place, because I'm going to be showing you how you can make $2,000 and above monthly while you are working from home with just either your smartphone, laptop, iPad or tablet. And the best part is this work has flexible hours and it's worldwide, so you can do it from anywhere. Without further ado, let's jump right into it and let me show you how it works. So we are going to open our browser and search for connect.appen.com. So make sure you stay till the end of this video. You should watch what I'm doing step by step so that you don't miss out or make any mistake while you are registering, because this website only accepts you once. You can't open two accounts with this website, or at least not legally. So if they detect that you're having two accounts, they are going to block you from both accounts. So make sure you watch everything till the end, step by step, so you know how you can open your own account with them. So first thing you need to do is, when you come to connect.appen.com, you come here to apply. Click on apply. So now that we are here, as you can see, first thing we need to do is put in your email address right here. So let's say I put in my email address. So you put in your password here. Then you come here, you put in your first name, you put in your last name. Here you select your country of residence. So make sure you choose your actual country that you reside in, because the work you will be given on your platform depends on the country you choose. So make sure you choose in your actual country of residence. So you come here, like as for me, I'm from Nigeria, so I'm going to come here and click on Nigeria. So I click on Nigeria. You certify that you are 18 years old and above. You click on yes. You click on I certify I'm able to provide legal work. You click on yes. Then you click here to create your account. Okay? So once you create your account, it's not that hard. They will verify you easily because they accept workers worldwide, and almost every time they are always accepting workers. So you can come here and apply. So since I'm already having an account, I'm going to come here and click on I already have an account, sign in. Okay, so I'm going to click on continue. So as you can see, this is their platform right here. This is their platform. So you come to projects here at the top, click on projects. Click on projects, and they are going to show you the project you are having. But first, you need to verify your email with them. Once you register, they are going to send you a confirmation email. You go back to your email and verify it. So it's straightforward for you to apply. So let's wait for the projects to appear. Okay, that's nice. This is my project, my pending project that I can work on, that I've been accepted to work on. Say $5 per tax. If I'm having 10 tax, if they give me 10 tax to work at $5, so that means I'll be getting paid $50 for just this particular tax. Let me show you how it works. Come to all projects, So look at all the projects that I can apply for. Social media labeling. So this one they pay $1.5 per tax. This one $3 per tax. As you can see, this one $0.01 per tax, and this one they pay about $250 per tax. So all you need to do is apply for the ones that you want, and the best part is you can apply for all of them. As long as you can do the work, you can apply. And why I said you need little to no experience is because some of these tax don't need you to have experience while some do. So what you need to do is you look for the ones that don't need any experience, or if you're having experience, then you go for the one that has experience. Like this one, for example, they pay $250 per tax, and this one below also pay $250 per tax. Some might pay you $50 per hour, some might pay you per tax. It depends on the project you got, and the project they give you depends on your country. So make sure you apply with your actual country of residence. So as I told you, imagine you apply for just these two, one and the one below. $250 per tax, $250, and this one give you about 5 tax. That means they are going to be paying you $1,250. If this one gives you 5 tax, they are also going to pay you $1,250. And within a week, if you are able to complete their tax, then you'll be earning more than that $2,000 that I told you are going to earn a month. So make sure you follow the steps properly and apply, because once you miss a step and you don't apply properly, then you are not going to be able to apply again, because they only accept one account. If you're having 2 accounts and they figure it out, they are going to block both your accounts. So guys, let me show you the type of work you are going to be doing for this platform, for this website. Let me show you the type of, take for example this armor, they pay $1.5 per tax, and let's see the type of work you are going to be doing. It says mystery shopper. So what you are going to be doing, they are going to send you to a store for you to go and buy something. So the advantage is that when you buy something, you use your money to buy it, but then they are going to pay you back the money you used to buy it, plus what you bought, you'll be able to keep it. And they are also going to pay you $1.5 for each tax you complete. So here they say requirements. Mystery shopper should have some disposable income to make purchase upfront. So that's what I just said. You should be able to have cash that you're going to make the purchase, but don't worry, they are going to pay you back the money you used for buying those goods, and then the goods you are going to be able to keep them, they will be yours. And they are also going to pay you that $1.5 for the tax you complete. The mystery shopper should be able to complete purchase with a short 1 week timeline. Okay, they want you to complete your tax within 1 week, and then attention to details and reading comprehension is a must. So this is what they need for this one. And then the next one is arrow pickable. This one basically is talking about pictures. They are going to ask you to snap a picture for them. They are going to ask you to snap pictures for them. So they say annotate photos to help improve the product and services of world's largest search engines. Okay, so you are basically going to just be snapping photos in this project. If you apply for it and you got accepted, what you need to do is just snap pictures. That is what they need, this project specifically. So if they ask you to, and they said they are going to pay you $3 per hour. So it depends on how many hours you work. If you work for 10 hours, you are going to be getting $30, which I personally would say is not that much. So if you are going to apply for project, I would recommend you go for the larger projects, the ones that pay more, because this one, if you are able to complete 4 tasks, for example, if you are able to complete 4 tasks in this project, you are having $1,000. The one below 2, if you are able to complete 4 tasks, another $1,000. If you are able to complete those 8 tasks within a week, then you are having about $2,000 in a week, which is what I promise you, and even above. So make sure you apply to your country, because you are going to be having Depending on your country, that's the type of tax you are going to be getting. If you apply from United States, I think you are going to be getting more of this type of tax and jobs, plenty of them, so you can just work on them. I think United States gets more high paying tax than other countries. So guys, if you want to learn more ways you can make money online while you are sitting at home, make sure you follow my channel, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If there is anything you don't understand, make sure you ask me in the comment section, because I will be here personally to answer all your questions. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.